Hey yo, welcome back to another episode of Plant-Based Planet. I'm Kwame Love, and the star of today's show is Mr. Potato. All right, thanks for coming back to Plant-Based Planet. On today's show, we're going to do my favorite thing in the world to eat. French fries. Yeah. Now, if you're like me, you probably get tired of leaving a big pot on the stove full of oil that stays on the stove full of oil for weeks and sometimes months. So today we're going to do something special, and it's not too unique, but we're going to make oven fried French fries. Oven fried French fries. And man, I do want to take the time to shout out Hop On It Pale Ale. This is a IPA made right here in the Bay. It's a black-owned brewery. Woo! And it's good, 6%. So now the thing about oven fried French fries is you don't have to have a big pot of oil sitting on on your stove for months, at least weeks or days. And it's real simple, doesn't take long. And so, let's jump into it. All right, so here are our ingredients. So only 3 real ingredients. A couple of white potatoes, some olive oil, and this is our blend. It's sea salt, pepper, and garlic, and it's really low on sodium, so that's why we use it. It's pretty tasty. All right, so obviously we're going to cut up our potatoes. This is how I cut mine, the long way, so that our potatoes are nice like that. And you can cut them as thick or as thin as you want. The thinner you cut them, the crispier they will turn out. I like mine about like that, if you can tell. All right? And we're gonna make these steak cut. I'm just gonna do one nice cut down the middle, so that we have some nice steak cut fries. All right. And then we're gonna put down some olive oil on our pan, cover our pan. Hopefully you got a non-stick pan. Right, because these puppies will stick. And we're going to take our potatoes once and then turn it over. Once, soak up the oil, turn it over. Soak up the oil, turn it over. Soak it up, turn it over. Soak it up, turn it over. Soak it up, turn it over. Just like that. So that way our fries are covered in olive oil on both sides. And the great thing about using olive oil is all the health benefits that come with olive oil. And you can eat olive oil raw. I know some people that drink olive oil. I actually use olive oil on my skin, which is something that my mom did. She had the best skin in the world. Right, and now I don't know about y'all, but I'm pretty hungry, so I can eat 2 potatoes. And once again, I'm gonna do 1 cut down the middle. Boom. Now you see, this isn't going to take us long at all. It's not going to take them long to bake either. You know, these can bake, I'd say, anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes. I'm going to put the timer on for 20 minutes. Well, actually, I'll probably put the timer on for 15 minutes. And then at the 15-minute mark, I'm going to turn them over. You know, you might want to put yours, set your timer for 10 minutes. And my oven is set for 420. You heard that? 420. All right. Rub that in. Voila. So this is what we're looking like. You can shake it up a little. And now we're gonna add our salt. Boom. There we go. And now it's ready for the oven. And now we're going to set our timer. We're going to do 13 minutes, and then we're going to flip it and then set it for another 13 minutes, and they should be ready. All right, y'all, here we go, fresh out the oven. So this is what our finished product looks like. These are our oven fried fries, steak cut, as you can see. Not too much oil left over. You know, not too much oil left over. It's pretty good. And my son's favorite, Yo Mama's barbecue sauce. Usually we get Yo Mama's ketchup, but today we got Yo Mama's barbecue sauce. And my favorite, no sugar added. Some really cool ingredients too. Some really cool ingredients. Less than a gram of sugar, it says, and I think the sugar comes from monk fruit extract. So, hey, we're gonna splurge today, and you know what else we're gonna get to go with it? All right, y'all. This is my favorite snack right here. So if you want to save on the oil, sitting on your stove for like 2 months, here you go. Just fry them in the oven. All right, peace.